Happy Sunday, everyone. My name is Bodie J from Rare Crypto, and today we're going to be looking at the Bitcoin chart. Lego. Alrighty. So today, what we're starting off with is the monthly chart. Last week, we're just going to recap on what we did. So this is the monthly chart. We drew support and resistance lines, and it looks like Bitcoin has broken those resistance lines. So we see at a dump when we broke this particular support line, so we wasn't able to hold 38k. All right, now just to catch everyone up, what we're going to do is we're going to draw a trend line just to prove that, hey, the market is still in the downtrend. All right, so we're going to just take a trend line right here in the short term. We're just going to go down. All right, so we know that, hey, Bitcoin is down. Okay, now that we know that, let's see where do we think the price is going to head to now that it's dumping. Okay, so I'm going to get a horizontal line. I'm going to use the previous body of the candle rather than this candle. Okay, so that current price, what I think support will be at will be 35k. All right, that's where I drew the trend line, 35k. All right, so judging from this week, if 35k was to break, now I'm going to do another support line, and I'm going to draw it here on the monthly. That price would be 33k. I'm going to get the price. We're going to put it right here, 33k. So knowing that if price breaks 35k, I'm anticipating that price may touch 33k. All right, now for the monthly chart, we're going to go to the 2 week. All right, now looking from the 2 week, we can see that price is respecting this 35k area right here. So judging from that, since it's the 2 week chart, there's a possibility that Bitcoin could go up, touch 38k, and come back down to 35k if we don't break 38k. Now it's confusing, but yeah. But anyhow, let's continue. Now we're going to go to the weekly chart. Okay, today is Sunday, so it's the beginning of the week. We can see that there is some sell pressure already starting off the week. All right, so 2-to-1, we're going to touch this 35k again, and then we may go up. So now after looking at that, now let's bring out the indicators. All right, so looking for the indicators, we can see that, okay, Bitcoin is still going down. On the weekly chart, we can see from the stochastic RSI, which I do like, we can see that, okay, we may have some money coming in, and the blue line should be crossing the orange line this week. All right, and usually when that happens, the price goes up. Let's look at in July when we had a little cross up here. Let's go at May 31st. So I'm gonna look at the May 31st. In May we had a cross. You see that? You see what I'm looking at? And maybe had a cross up. So we went up, we touched the line, and then it was kind of like a fake out. Then we dipped again. So I'm anticipating this may occur again. So look at that time frame. Let's look. Let me pull out the date range. So we go from May to July. That's 70 days. All right, now let's look from here. Let's go from January, 70 days. March 21st, 2022. And this is just an assumption. This can't be correct. It may be correct, but we don't know. But that's just how I'm playing it. So now that we did a quick support and resistance, we are thinking where we think the market's going to go. Now let's pull out the MACD. All right, so this is the same chart, just like a different background. Nothing different, just some different indicators that I have. But the MACD is what I'm really looking at. So on the 2 week chart, we can see that price is trending downwards. I like the MACD because it's usually it's pretty strong indicator. It's lagging, but usually it's right all the time. So as we can see here, price is still going down. If we look back in the past, every time it started to go trend down, price went down. So judging from this, you may be, since it's the 2-week chart, I think I'm going to be looking at between February 14th and February 28th to see if the market kind of stabilizes or if we're going to curve upwards. All right. But not financial advice, but what I'm going to be doing is I'm waiting for a stochastic RSI cross. Once I get a cross in the stochastic RSI, I am going to start maybe DCAing. Not financial advice, but I think this is kind of like a shakeout. But the monthly, from the monthly, this could be dangerous. So my strategy is I'll just wait it out. Patience will win this game. So yeah, the MACD doesn't look good. All right, cool. Other than ranting, this is my Bitcoin update. I'm Bodhi J from Where Crypto. Let's see what happens next week. Lego. If you made it to the end of this video, comment WAGMI. We all gonna make it. Where Crypto.